Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Forcestop on the application of DeepSeek. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about DeepSeek and we click. Then in this page of app info we click on Forcestop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about DeepSeek. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.